Hey guys, Miss Modell here, and today we're going to be learning about unit rates. Okay, now you may remember the word rates as being ratios comparing two different units. So here's the note parts. It says, when interpreting the unit rate from a graph, always read the axis, okay, of the graph and read the labels. Oops, I accidentally deleted that, sorry. Read the labels on the x and y axis. The constant rate of the graph can be interpreted as the unit rate, which another word for unit rate, I'm not sure if you've heard it before. Rate is also known as the slope. Okay, so I'm sure you've heard that before, that you've heard the words unit rate and slope. So the constant of the graph can be interpreted as the unit rate, and that is also known as the slope. Two names, but they mean the same thing. So task one is going to be to find the rate or the slope of each given rate. And the way we do this is it's 45 minutes per 3 miles. So if we take our calculator, 45 divided by 3 gives me 15. So that means that I went at about 15 minutes per mile. So that means each mile I went 15 minutes. Each mile took me 15 minutes, excuse me. So 15 minutes per mile. There we go. Sorry. All right. So 9 feet in 3 hours. So if I take 9 divided by 3, that means that in 1 hour, I went 3 feet. So 3 feet per hour. And then 15 gallons in 5 minutes, I'm going to divide that. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that means that I did 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that was 3 gallons. Ooh, 3 gallons per minute. Okay, 3 gallons per minute. I'm going to leave number 4 for you so that you can do that on your own. Now, sometimes we are going to have to interpret from a graph, and the easiest thing is to see where the 1 is at. But like in this graph, I can't see where 1 is at, so I have to find a perfect point. So that's at 5 and 10. So, of course, it's going to be the y divided by the x. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that means I did 2 gallons per minute. Gallons per minute. Okay. Now on the second graph, here is my 1. But because I can't know with certainty, I'm going to go to where there is a perfect point, which my perfect point is right here. So for $120, I can get 7 shirts, but I want to know how much can I get for 1 shirt. So again, I'm going to take my y, which was 120, and divide by the number of shirts, which is 7. So each shirt costs at about $17.14. So $17.14 per shirt. Per shirt. This should actually be a dollar sign. Sorry. Okay. Now, sometimes you're going to have a table and there's a lot of blanks. So we're going to do this first one together. I'm going to find 3 and 45. So let me see if in 45 minutes I went 3 miles. Let's see how much I go in 1 mile. And to find that, I'm just going to take that 45 and divide by 3. Got 15. So in 1 mile, I go 15. So that means if I went 2 miles, I would go, so 1 times 15 gave me 15. So 2 times 15 is going to give me 30. 3 times 15 is going to give me 45. And this one obviously should be 4. And 4 times 15 should give me 60. Okay, so let's practice that again. So I have 3 and 9. So if in 3 hours I went 9 feet, to find how many I went in 1 hour, I'm simply going to divide 9 by 3, which is 3. So that means that my unit rate is 3. So if in 1 hour I went 3 feet, 2 hours, I would just need to multiply by 3, and I get 6. 3 times 3 would give you 9. This should be 4. 4 times 3 will give you 12. And I will leave these bottom ones to you. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, we are done. And I'll see you guys later.